Good morning, wonderful and hardworking Phoenix Nation ELT 7th grade scholars. This is Miss Picciaboni here, working out some of these Thursday problems for you. Today marks 7 days until your STAR test, 7 days of school that is. Number one, we have a graph, and you're asked to match it with a table. So today's lesson is just about tables, graphs, and words, picking the ones that go together. So I'm going to start by just looking at some values here. So this is x is -1. When x is -1, y has to be +3. So once again, it's a -1 and a +3. So I can already get rid of this one. This one has -1 as one of the points, and it got the correct y value. So now I'm going to look at 2 and -5. 2, oh, that's not -5. That's in between -2 and -4. That's -3. Okay, can't be D. Okay, so now let's go ahead and let's look at table B. Why not? -2, (5). -2 up to 5, okay. 0, (1). 0, 1. 4, (9). Okay. 4 to -9. Oh, nope. That's -7. So our answer must be C. For number 2, this one gives you words and asks you to match it to an equation. So right away I notice the answer choices, they look really alike, but it's gonna either be a -5 or a +5, a -18 or a +18. So it says, after jumping into the water to a depth of 5 feet below the surface. So if I wanted to draw that as a picture over here, okay, here's the surface of the water. He's going below. 5 feet below. Is that going to be negative or positive? Well, below would be -5. So I go back to the choices. Can't be H, can't be J. Okay, so now I just have to figure out if the 18 is positive or negative. Okay, the deep sea diver continues to descend at a rate of 18 feet per minute. So descend means I keep going down. In 1 minute, I go down 18. Another minute, going down another 18. So you probably already know that 18 needs to be negative. The answer choice is F. Okay guys, for this one, number 3, I'm given an equation. C equals 45 plus 400ths m. It's really important to know what the variables mean. C stands for the total charges and m stands for miles. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with 10 miles because I see that's in both tables. Actually, I'm not gonna start with 10 because they got the same value. I'm gonna look at 24 miles to see which one is correct. So I wanna know the correct charge if I'm traveling 24 miles. So I would just have to do 24 times 0.04. I'm just gonna do times 4, guys, and then I'm just gonna move the decimal twice at the end. Okay, I get 96 cents, right? 96 hundredths. So C equals 45 plus 96/100ths. So my total cost would be $45.96. So oh, and that was the same for both of them too. Okay, so let's see if we can knock out any answer choices. So far, A looks good, B looks good, and then C and D use different numbers. Okay, so I'm just gonna start back with letter A, and I'm just gonna put in my miles and see if I get the correct charges. So for example, so doing it again, okay, let's see what I get when my M or miles is 3. C equals 45. I know that 4 times 3 is 12, but since it's 0.04, oops, I said the P word, since it's 400ths, I just need to move my decimal in twice. Okay, so far, C looks good. We already know, so far 3 looks good. We know that 24 is good. I'm gonna do 10 miles now. 10 times 4 is 4. D, moving the decimal twice, I get 40 cents. C equals $45.40. And the last one I'm going to try is 17. So C equals 45 plus 400th times 17. I would do 17 times 4. 4, 6, move it in twice. C equals $45.68. Okay, so finally, guys, look how they're trying to trick you. We found one that wasn't correct. So A isn't the correct answer. So do the same thing I've been modeling for you to figure out if it's B, C, or D. Once you've done that, go ahead and continue to work on the rest.